Today I am going to show you the recipe of peas kachori. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some peas, oil, maida, semolina, salt, finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 green chili, a piece of ginger, fennel seeds, hing, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, amchur powder and some cumin seeds. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of semolina. With that, salt as per taste and oil 1 to 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly and the dough holds the shape. And now I am going to add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. I knead it into a soft dough and now I am going to grease some oil on it. I grease some oil and now I am going to cover it with a plate and rest it for 15 minutes. Now take a blender jar and add 1 cup of peas in it. Then add 1 piece of ginger. With that 1 green chili. And now we are going to blend it into a smooth paste. I blend it into a coarse paste. And now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Mix it and cook them until they are aromatic. The cumin is aromatic and now I am going to add different types of spices. So first 1/4 tablespoon of hing. I added 1/4 tablespoon of hing and now I am going to add salt as per taste. With that red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder half tablespoon, amchur powder half tablespoon and fennel seeds 1 tablespoon. Mix it and cook it until they are aromatic. Everything is aromatic and now I am going to add the coarse paste in it. Mix it properly and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. After 1 to 2 minutes, everything has cooked well and now I am going to add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it properly. I mixed it properly and my stuffing is ready and now I am going to turn off the gas and cool it down completely. The mixture has cooled down completely and now we are going to go to the next process. After 15 minutes, the dough has set well and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now we are going to flatten it. I flattened the dough and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the stuffing in it. And now we are going to pack it tightly. I packed it tightly and now we are going to press it gently and transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I made 3 more kachoris and now we are going to go to the deep fry process. Now take a pan and heat some oil in it. Then add the kachoris. I added the kachoris and now we are going to cook it until they are golden brown and crispy. The kachoris are golden brown and crispy and now I am going to transfer them on a tissue paper. So the tissue paper will absorb all the oil. I transferred the kachori into this plate. So as you can see, it looks so yummy. So this is my delicious and tasty peas kachori recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.